There is breaking news coming from Tesla Giga Shanghai France. Shanghai Tesla factory is on fire with plans to increase output fueled by the latest dramatic price cuts that Tesla did with its vehicles. So Tesla's recent price cuts in China have been successful in stimulating demand for their electric vehicles. In response, the company has decided to increase production at their Shanghai facility to meet the growing demand. So Tesla is increasing the production at Giga Shanghai. Tesla has been making waves in the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. The company's latest move to raise production at its Shanghai plant is yet another testament to its commitment to meeting the growing demand for its vehicles. So, according to a memo seen by Reuters and confirmed by a source with knowledge of the plan, Tesla plans to increase output at its Shanghai factory over the next 2 months, February and March. The aggressive price cuts on its best-selling models have apparently fueled demand, and the company is responding by ramping up production to meet the demand in China. The memo detailed that Tesla plans to produce a weekly average of nearly 20,000 units in February and March. This news is a clear indication that Tesla is focused on maintaining its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The company's Shanghai Gigafactory is one of its most productive and profitable manufacturing hubs, and the increased output will help ensure that the company continues to meet the needs of its customers. So the news of Tesla's increased production at Giga Shanghai factory also highlights the growing popularity of electric vehicles in China. With its large population and expanding middle class, China is a critical market for any automaker looking to make a significant impact. Tesla's success in the country is not just a win for the company, but also a win for the environment and a step toward a more sustainable future in China and also for everyone. So Tesla's focus on Chinese market is the following. Tesla has been focusing on the Chinese market for some time now, recognizing its potential as a key player in the global electric vehicle market. In 2019, Tesla opened its first overseas gigafactory in Shanghai, which has since been producing Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for the Chinese market, electric vehicles. The company's strategy in China has been to offer competitive pricing for their electric vehicles, which has helped to drive demand and increase market share. This latest move to increase production in response to the success of the recent price cuts is a clear sign that Tesla is committed to maintaining its position in the Chinese market. So, what are the benefits of this increased production in Shanghai? By increasing production in Gigafactory Shanghai, Tesla is able to better meet the demands of the Chinese market and maintain its competitiveness in the market. Also keep in mind that Tesla Giga Shanghai also exports vehicles to other markets. Additionally, having a strong presence in China will help Tesla to tap into the country's vast network of suppliers and partners, further enhancing their competitiveness in the global EV markets, because these suppliers will now start supplying more, producing more, and it's good for them as well. Furthermore, by producing more vehicles in China, Tesla will be able to reduce the impact of import tariffs, which can add significantly to the cost of importing vehicles from overseas. So what is Tesla's long-term strategy for the Chinese market? Tesla's decision to increase production in Shanghai is part of a long-term strategy to establish a strong presence in the Chinese market. By offering competitive pricing, high-quality electric vehicles, and building a strong network of partners and suppliers in the country, Tesla is positioning itself to become a leading player in the Chinese electric vehicle market, which is very, very competitive. In the coming years, Tesla is expected to continue its focus on the Chinese market, exploring new opportunities and initiatives to further enhance their competitiveness in the market. This could include the development of new products and services, new cars, as well as expanding their network of charging and service centers in the country, which is growing every day. Tesla's recent price cuts and increased production in Shanghai are clear indication of their commitment of the Chinese market by offering competitive pricing and high-quality electric vehicles and building a strong network of partners and suppliers. Tesla now is positioning itself to become a major, important player in the Chinese electric vehicle market. With a long-term focus on the country, Tesla is well positioned for success in this market for the years to come. So what do you think, friends, of this news and the memo to increase the production of Tesla vehicles at Gigafactory Shanghai? Is the demand for Tesla is growing in China? This is at least what I see. But let's see if more news comes on that. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to report more on this. Now, things are going well for Tesla, and they're going well not only in China, but also in the United States. Tesla Cybertruck is in beta production review by Elon Musk, as I reported this morning. He said, I was just reviewing the production beta Cybertruck. It is incredible. He tweeted several hours ago, early this morning. This means Cybertruck is either in beta production or about to enter the beta production. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, several hours ago, early this morning, tweeted that he was reviewing the production beta version of the Cybertruck, and he says it is incredible. The Cybertruck is a new electric pickup truck, not yet in production, that has generated a lot of buzz in the automotive world. With its angular and futuristic design, it is in stark contrast to the conventional pickup trucks on the market that you see every day. Elon's tweet came as a response to a tweet by Dodge designer Twitter, who wrote Cybertruck will be his personal vehicle and tagged Musk. And Musk said that he is reviewing the beta version. I wish Elon could give us new teaser or hint about one of the Cybertruck's unannounced features. If you remember, lately we learned that Cybertruck will have new unannounced features, which I've reported here. So of course Elon Musk's tweet was like a bombshell, kind of, in the Twitter space, generating lots of questions from Tesla enthusiasts, investors, and Cybertruck reservations holders. Here are some of them that I want to read for you. Any chance we'll see a smaller Cybertruck version sometime? I think this is important for European market. Another person asked, did you figure out the windshield wiper yet? Another asked, what's your favorite thing about the Cybertruck? When will there be another Cybertruck update? Will it have 500 plus miles range? What do you love most about the Cybertruck? Of course, none of these questions were answered yet, although Elon Musk answers questions from time to time on Twitter, now considering how busy he is. Now, what is beta production of Cybertruck? What does this mean? I want to explain to you. Beta production is the stage in the manufacturing process when a limited number of vehicles are produced for testing and evaluation purposes. During this phase, engineers and designers are able to collect data and identifying potential issues with the Cybertruck and making changes to improve the Cybertruck before it is released to the public. In the case of Cybertruck, beta production will involve the production of a small number of vehicles for testing purposes. Now, let's say beta production is coming up. What do you expect from beta production of the Cybertruck? What can you expect from it? During beta production, the Cybertruck will be subjected to a range of tests to ensure that it meets Tesla's high standards for quality, reliability, and performance. This will include durability testing, performance testing, and real-world testing to assess how the vehicle performs in various driving conditions. So expect to see tests maybe in Alaska, in Texas, and so on. So Tesla has stated that the beta production of Cybertruck will feature many of the same capabilities as the final version. This means that the beta vehicles will have the same futuristic design, all-electric powertrain, and cutting-edge technology that has been promised by Tesla. The beta production Cybertruck will also feature the same Cybertruck armor, which Tesla claims will be tough enough to withstand bullets, sledgehammers, and more. So what this means for potential buyers of Cybertruck. Let's say you are a Cybertruck reservation holder. You are probably patiently waiting for it. What does this mean for you? The beta production of the Cybertruck is an exciting development for potential buyers. It means that the production of the vehicle is one step closer to becoming a reality. However, it is important to note that the beta production vehicles are not intended for public sales, just it was the case with Giga Berlin. Instead, they will be used for testing and development purposes. So it's good that we're in beta production. It's good that they're coming, but Tesla will not be able to sell them. You guys have to wait until they are out of beta production into real production. This may take tests of wait another 2-3 months, and we should see first Cybertrucks coming up. In the meantime, the good news memo from Giga Shanghai that they're going to increase production. Apparently, the price cuts have increased the demand of Tesla vehicles in China and probably in the markets where Tesla exports and has cut the prices. So what do you think all of these things? Let's continue the discussion as we usually do in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them as much as possible. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Tweet it out, share with your friends. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Thanks for supporting us, guys.